Good afternoon and welcome to another very windy video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Lovely Volvo XC60, it's a 2 litre, it's a D4 SE Lux, it's automatic, it's Euro 6, it's start-stop, it's had the cam belt replaced at 92,000 miles, it's now done, good question, 95,000 miles. It's MOT'd until December 2026. It's £9,995. Automatic 2 litre D4, 7 service at 16, 30, 43, 59, 70, 82 and 92,000 miles. Just had 2 new tyres on the back and a very nice car. Has a Volvo removable tow bar. Has off black leather heated seats. ULEZ compliant, £9,995 on a 2016, only 2 owners from new. Power tailgate, rear park sensors, new rear tyres, nice bodywork, nice Goodyear on the front, stone chips. Inside, automatic black leather DAB digital radio, heated seats, leather seats, electric memory driver's seat, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, DAB radio, Bluetooth, as I say, heated seats, aircon is freezing, has climate control, has Volvo fitted mats. In the back, lovely and clean, fitted mats are in there, all good. It's got the little panel down there underneath the rear bumper that you pull out to put the tow, or clip out to put the tow bar in, press the button, power tailgate, lovely and clean in the boot area. There's the Volvo tow bar, doesn't look like it's been used recently. Press the button and it goes. Nice and dent free, nice condition, not scratched. Lovely this side as well. Paintwork's very good. Another new tyre. Nice Goodyear tyre. 2016 plate, 9995. Electric mirrors, folding mirrors, electric windows, electric memory heated driver's seat. Leather is in lovely condition. Tailgate release, fuel flap release down there, automatic headlamps, multifunction leather steering wheel. Got tyre pressure monitoring, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, everything you need. £9,995, lovely dark blue metallic. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website to see our other Volvos in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those, there'll be lots of Volvo XC60s. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.